to the Gyanjyoti online classes. Today we discuss English grammar, chapter 6, exercises. And chapter 9 is pronouns. Okay. So first you open your book, page number 33. Okay. And copy also. So dear student, you know about pronouns. Let's start the chapter. Page number 33. Okay. First we know what is pronouns. You just read this sentence in your book. Ankita is my sister. She is 5-year-old. Rahul is my best friend. He lives in Neem Friends Colony. Ankita and Rahul went to Manali. They enjoyed themselves a lot there. So here, I is used to talk about ourselves. He is used to place of their name of boy or man noun. She is used to place of the name of girls or female noun. It is used to place of the name of animals or non-living things. They and we use in place of more than one person. So you have to write in your book, your left side notes. You have to write in your copy. Okay. So what is pronouns? Just you write in your copy. Words like she, he, they, we, and it are used in place of noun. Okay. So there also called pronouns. So write in your copy this one. Write all the numbers. So words like she, he, they, we, and it are used in place of noun. They are also called pronouns. So we know what is pronouns. So first we do fill in the blanks with I, he, she, it, they, and we. 34th page. First you open, then you write. Okay. First you write this one. So first we do fill in the blanks. With I, he, she, it, they, and we. Okay. Okay, let's start. Just you see blackboard properly. Okay. We do first number. Here we have to using I, he, she, it, and they, and we. Okay. Then first number using I am Aditya. Then again I use I have a sister and a brother. So first number completed. Here first number to place we have to using I first, then second also we have to using I. Second number Rohit drives drives. He drives it very fast because here a car one of the things, so we will be using it here. Okay. Second number Ruby drives a car. He drives it very fast. Then third number Deepa is my neighbor. She wants to restaurant. Okay. Here Deepa is the girl, so we have to use it C. Okay. Deepa is my neighbor. She wants to be an astronaut. Okay. So third number also completed. Then next number we have to do. First you write 1, 2 and 3 number. Okay. Write in your book. See in blackboard properly. Just we do all the numbers. Okay. Then fourth number. Give this one key combination. You guys won the competition. Here we are using he won a book. Okay. Yogesh is male person and boy, so we will be using he. Okay. So just you write here he. You won a book. Then 5 number. Suma and I are good friends. So here we are using we often go to watch films on weekend. Then let's do 6 number. Riya and Faru are eating mangoes. The girl they. So here we are using they. They are delicious. Okay. So 4 to 6 number also completed. So write in your copy. Okay. Then we have to write number 7. Just we continue the classes. See the blackboard properly. Number 7. English is my favorite subject. I love to study. Here we are using it because book is one of the things. So just you have to using it. Okay. The 8 number. Nita Gupta on the girl's name is our. So we are using C. This is as music. Okay. Here we are using C. Then 9 number. Swati and Neelu. Going to the so here Swati and Neelu. So we are using here they. So in Daya it was rolling. Okay. Then you have to write number 10 at the top of the blackboard. Just you see number 10. Okay. I have an eldest sister. Her name is Nina. What? Nina. Nina is a girl's name, so here we will be using C. Studies in class 5th. Then here we will be using we. Go to the same school. Okay. Just write number 10. I have an elder sister. Her name is Nina. She studies in class 5th. We go to school. We go to same school. So write down this one. So fill in the blanks with I, he, she, it, them. We completed. Just you write all the numbers. Then you write. Replace the noun with suitable pronouns. Okay. So here you have to convert some words and replace this one pronouns. Okay. 35 page you have to open. Okay. 35 page. Just you open. Replace the noun with suitable pronouns. Replace the nouns with suitable pronouns. Just you see your book 1 number to 10 number here. Radhika can bake cakes. So what we use? You have to using pronouns. Okay. Just keep your mind. You have to using pronouns. So here we have to using Radhika, one of the girls name. So here we have to using C. Can bake case. So this sentence completed. The second number, Rajesh worked in a bank. Rajesh worked in a bank. Okay. So Rajesh, one of the boy's name and male person. So here what we using? He works in bank. Okay. Next, third number. Sheila and Pooja are going to Simla next week. So two person is there, Sheila and Pooja. So what we using? They are going to Simla next week. Then sentence is completed. Fourth number, Ravi, Sam and I. Here three person, Ravi, Sam and I. So what we using? We saw a ladybird. We saw a ladybird while playing in the garden. Okay. Then next five number, Deepika, one of the girls' name. So what are you using? She. Okay. Pronouns she. She has not completed her homework. Okay. So 1 to 5 number just write in your copy. Then you have to do next number 6 to 10. Okay. See the blackboard properly and write all the numbers. Okay. So dear students, just to keep your mind, we have to using pronouns. Here just changes the some words. That phrase you have to using pronouns. She, he, they, we, it. So 5 number is completed. Then 6 number. Here Vinay is a good banjo player. So what we using here? Vinay is one of the male person. So what is using? He is a good banjo player. Okay. Then 7 number, my aunt and her family are visiting us this winter. My aunt and her family. So what are you using? Here we are using they. They are visiting us this winter. Okay. Then 7 number also completed. We have to do 8 number, my family and I. My family and I. You have to see red mark of words. So here we have to using we will celebrate Diwali. We will celebrate Diwali together. Then 9 number, the rabbit is eating carrots. What are you using? Because rabbit is the animals. So what? Using here it. We are using it is eating carers. Then last number 10 number Mehak and Sonali. Both are girls. So here we are using they are my classmates. So dear students, 6 to 10 number just you completed in your copy. So this number also completely replace the noun with suitable pronouns. Okay. So I hope you all are right all the question answer very quickly. Then we have to write, choose the correct word. We have to write, choose the correct word. Okay. So here just you see the blackboard. You have to do this one also. Keep in mind, just you write all the numbers, do not leave any ones. All are important for you, and see the video properly. All the numbers are important. Choose the correct word. Here, just write only for answer. Okay. Not all the sentence you have to write in this blackboard. Choose the correct word. First, how are dash him or you this morning? How are, just I write for example, how are dash this morning. So what are we using? How are dash this morning? Here two options, him or you. Him and you. So here we are using you. How are you this morning? So just tick you. Okay. आप लोग को you को टिक करना है और यहाँ पे ब्लैंक्स में लिखना है, ठीक है? Then second number, please help dash complete my homework. Here also two options, I and me. So you have to just tick me and write in the blanks. Please help me complete my homework. Okay. So just take this one. Then we have to do another number. Just you write in your copy. This time just you write only answer. Third number. So here Tuhina and I are going to Resam birthday party. She invited us to her house. So third number you put up and tick us. Put up the blanks, us and tick us. Okay. Two option is here, us and you. Okay. So just you tick us. Then fourth number, the new boy in our class lives near you already. Do you know? Two options, her and him. So just you tick him and write in the blanks him. Fourth number also completed. Then fifth number, can you lend dash your book for today? Can you lend? So two option is here, her and me. So fifth number just you write me. Okay. Fill in the blanks, me and tick also. Third number also completed. Sixth number, just you see the book properly what I am saying. Radha is my good friend. I will bake cake for dash her and C. Two option is here. So we have to here write her. Radha is my good friend. I will bake a cake for her. Okay. And write, and you have to tick also in your book. Soham and Sunil are good singer. Soham and Sunil are good singer. I love listening to them. Two option is here, them and they. Okay. So first you pick them and write in blanks them. Okay. Then see 8 number in blanks. First dance will you did you learn dash down. So first you use you. 8 number first you have to use you, then it. Okay. 2 places here. So first place you have to write you, then second place you have to write it. Okay. Then 8 number also completed. 9 number, here you see book. I bought their comic books. I was reading them. Here 2 options also, us and them. Us and them to my sister. I read them to her. Okay. 9 number also 2 options. First you put out them, then second number, second place you have to write her. Then 10 number, Tina and I are very excited today. 10 number, first place you have to write we, then second place you have to write he, then third place you have to write us. Okay. That sentence is completed. Tina and I are very excited today. We are going to the mall. Will you come with us? Okay. Then sentence is completed. So choose the correct word also completed. So write all the numbers properly. See the blackboard. Okay. And put in the blanks. This one. Then you have to rewrite this story, replace the words in color using pronouns. Page number 36. Rewrite the colors using pronouns. Rewrite the story, replace the words with color using pronouns. So just you see your book. First lion, that is you have to write him. Then second number lion, that place you have to write he. Then third place lion, that net, so that place you have to eat the lion, he, him, he, then he also, you, and lastly they. So just you write that place, you have to see red mark. Okay. जहाँ पे रेड मार्क दिख रहा है वहाँ पे आप लोग इसका यूज करेंगे. फर्स्ट him, then he, then it, then he, him, he, you, and lastly they. Okay. Then your story is completely. Do not repeat the lion words or do not repeat the mouse, the net. Okay. We will be using the correct pronouns, the correct places. Okay. So this one also completed. Then last number we have to do. Read this sentence. See the blackboard. This is your last number. Then chapter is completed. Read this sentence. Replace the word in color. In color with the correct option. So first number, just you see your book first. It's easy to understand all the sentence, all the words. Okay. My mother gave I here red marks, so we have to replace this one. Me. Okay. I की जगह आप लोग यहाँ पे me लिखेंगे. My mother gave me a beautiful hat. That sentence is correct and completed. Okay. Then second number, just you see your book. These are Sheila books. These are Sheila's book. Please give me. Give them here to her. Second number, you have to see it. So you have to replace this one. Then आप लोग को it की जगह them लगा, ठीक है? Then third number, Rohan's father is a good cook. ही है यहाँ पे ही लगा. Red mark new लिखा हुआ है, so you have to using he cooks every Sunday. Then fourth number, me. First में me है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को I लगाना है. I like to eat oats and milk for breakfast. I like to eat oats and milk for breakfast. Me की जगह आप लोग को I लगाना है. Then five number, just see the blackboard. Rimi has a pet cat. Ha. Rimi one of the girls name. So what we using? She gives it. Then की जगह it लगाना है. हा की जगह आप लोग को सी लगाना है और then की जगह it लगाना है. ठीक है. आज दूंगा 6 नंबर में. Samira has gone to meet Kriti. Then you have to change this. Then place to they are planning to go on a vacation together. Then की जगह आप लोग को they लगाना है. ठीक. Then second number, Ashok is a popular dancer in our school. Everybody knows him because Ashok is a one of the boys name. तो हर यहाँ पे नहीं होगा, him होगा. ठीक है. Him very well he told us. We की जगह आप लोग को us लगाना है. That he has just won the national dance competition. 7 number also completed. Then 8 number, just you see there. Our class teacher scolded Abby and said they have यहाँ पे you लगाना है आपको. 8 number में you are very naughty. You will solve the extra question at home. ठीक. 8 number complete हो गया. So first number में आप लोगों को me लगाना है. Second them. Third number he, fourth number I, five number she and it, they, six number, seven number him and us, eight number you. Then here last 9 and 10 number. Our teacher told we है यहाँ पे us करना है आप लोगों को. Okay, us that the school will be closed from Friday for summer vacation. Replace we की जगह आपको us लिखेंगे. Then last number 10 number, Ram and I. First me की जगह आपको I लिखेंगे. I are planning a surprise party for our mother's birthday. Us है वहाँ पे we लिखेंगे. Then we will give C की जगह हमारा. ठीक है. आपको 3 जगह पे चेंज करना है. Me, us and C. I, we and her. ठीक. So this chapter is completed. I hope you all are understand well and do all the numbers positively in your copy. So today we will complete chapter 6 exercises. Okay. So dear student, see all the video for our Gyanjyoti online classes positively. Do all the number. Okay. So thank you very much.